Hey guys, so I want to do a video showing you guys how to count money fast. Okay, so it's nice if it's kind of neat. So here we go. I'm right-handed, so I got my right hand and my left hand. So what I want to do is I want to push right here, and I can use these fingers maybe to help guide too, right here. So the back side, see, they can actually help guide. But I want to take my right thumb and I want to push over and like this, and then push under, right? So you can just kind of go like this. I think I did double this now. It's like kind of like so. And you can like, when you're counting, like if you're doing hundreds, you could do like 100, 200, 300, like that. Or maybe just do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could just kind of count like that. But yeah, I used to work at Walgreens, and I would do like counting in the safe. I did a management internship at Walgreens. So basically, take your two hands and push over. Another way to count money is each of these should weigh 1 gram. So if you have a scale, and you can kind of use this to like maybe help double check your counting. So like if you counted, like let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is back when I was there, and it should still weigh, it may still weigh a gram. So if it doesn't, then just disregard. But so if you have 10, the weight should be 10 grams. So if you have a good scale, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like if you have a stack of hundreds and you're wondering like, did I count right or whatever? And let's say you counted like 87 $100 bills, then it should weigh 87 grams like on the scale. But for counting, this is what kind of like what I like. Take your right thumb, and if you're left-handed, maybe switch it up. But and you can kind of use these fingers to guide. So this is what it looks like from over here. Okay, it's kind of like that. I think I did a double. Okay, and I would recommend, especially with like larger amounts, maybe counting it like 2 or 3 times. So here, let's do this again. Okay, 1. I'd recommend like practicing. I got a double there. Be careful with like really new bills if you're doing that. So there you guys go. Yeah, but just be wary than other like the really new bills. It might be kind of hard to like make them slide across. So, and just practice it up. Get faster and faster, faster, faster. I think it's double twice, but yeah, just practice it up. So, anyways, guys, like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. I love you guys. God loves you. God bless you. And then once you're done counting, you can like use it as like a fan or something. So anyways, all right guys, have a good one. Bye.